Alrighty, we got an extra little emu egg to turn today, so we're going to go ahead and turn these two right now. And we're waiting for her to lay one more, and we'll have 6 in this incubator. I just want to keep a lot of them right next to each other on their timelines. And we need to weigh these things. And I had an idea the other day. And so they keep rolling away on me. Get rid of that, and we're going to put this in its place. And we'll turn it on, and it's zeroed. So, first egg, we're going to weigh it. And this is Big Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. And it looks to be on schedule. I'm trying to write left-handed here. 8. Okay, since that was the side that was up, we're going to put that side that's down. And do the same thing with this one. 539. And that's the side that was up. We're going to put this side down, and we're going to collect the last egg. I don't want to turn it yet. 548. Which is where it should be. Maybe this is a new camera, so it only fits my right hand with the thing without being everything in the way. So, alright, everything looks good. There's no cracking, and there's no weird fluids coming out of any of them. I think that happened with the first one I had bought. It cracked open and leaked out, and I ended up throwing it away. And then my brother bought me one and got me started back up on these things, and it hatched. So ever since, I've been looking forward to the day that I can hatch my own out of my own stock. So thank you all for tuning in on this. I know these videos ain't long, but it's just a part of the routine is to check them out. Make sure they're losing weight properly, and turn them every day as many times as I can, which is only 2, since only chances I get to be home are in the morning and in the evening. So y'all thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Continue watching these videos if y'all like. We'll see y'all in the next one.